Hello everyone, welcome to our channel codersarcade. First of all, I want to thank all our audience who have been with us in this journey, and I will appreciate if the people who have not yet subscribed to our channel, they subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications of our latest updates. Thank you. Today I am going to talk about something very important. We have also started our online and offline software testing courses. So let me just brief you about the same. So as you can see on the screen, we have our software testing training. So let me just simply brief you about all the concepts that we are going to cover in this syllabus. First of all, as you can see here, we have our software testing, manual testing concepts. So we will be briefing you about all the manual testing concepts where you will be learning how to write test cases. You will be knowing about the importance of software testing and so on. Then we will be moving on to the software development methodologies, where we will be learning about the different models like agile model, waterfall model, and so on. Then after learning about the software development methodologies, we will be moving on to JIRA, which is a project management tool. Whatever test cases you have written manually, you can update them in JIRA. So we will be learning about the risk factors like high, low, and the priority levels of all your test cases. Then so on, we will be moving on to Confluence. It is a document repository where you can keep all the documentations that you require while building a project. Then after that, we will be moving on to the basics of core Java. In core Java, you will be learning about the basic Java concepts. And if you were not aware, we already have a playlist on the basics of Java. So the link will be given in the description, and this is the playlist. And here you will be learning all the basics of core Java. After that, we will be moving on to the complex concepts like collection frameworks and so on. So after that, what next? We will be next moving on to databases. So in the databases, we will be learning about SQL especially. We will be learning about creating tables and all other queries related to SQL databases. Then we will be learning about JDBC. So what is JDBC? JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. Here you will be learning how to connect your Java application to the database. We will be learning about all the queries related to this. Then we will be moving on to the main section, which is automation testing. We will be learning about how to automate web pages with the Selenium tool. So this is it. We will be learning automation using the Selenium framework or the Selenium tool. After learning about how to interact with web elements, how to write your own XPaths, we will be then moving on to Maven. So what is Maven? Maven is a build tool. So whenever you are creating any project, you have to download certain dependencies. So with the help of Maven, it becomes very easy and the life of a software engineer becomes very simple with the Maven tool. It will help you install and download all the dependencies which you require for your projects. Then we will go on to automation framework creations. There are many frameworks like JUnit, TestNG, and BDD, which stands for Behavior Driven Development. In the BDD framework, you will be using the Cucumber framework, where you will be learning how to use the feature file. Then after that, we will be moving on to the API testing basics. We will be learning how to deal with APIs, and finally we will be using a tool called Postman, where you will be learning how to test APIs using the Postman tool. Then what next after this? After this, we will be going on to the complex concepts of CI/CD, which means continuous integration and continuous deployment. We will be using Git, which is a version control tool, and then we will be learning how to run our test cases from a remote agent like Jenkins. Then we will be moving on to how you can prepare a proper resume in order to showcase your talents in front of the interviewer. After that, you will be learning how to prepare yourself for the interviews. We will be giving you proper mock interviews, and we will be preparing you for attempting various MNC level interviews. And after that, we will be having GD sessions where you will be learning to discuss about all the important topics that you have in GDs. So in this entire course, you will be getting thorough knowledge on software testing using Selenium and Java, and we will be guiding you from the start to the end till the time you get a job. And after you are getting a job, if you have any queries related to your job related projects, you can even contact us so that we can help you through the process of creating your projects and also working on your projects. What next? So after learning all this, you will get 24/7 support from us if you want to go ahead in your career. Any queries, we are there for you. So why not enroll into this course in a very nominal price? So please think about it. You have got a golden opportunity in your hands. So try contacting these numbers given on the list, and you can directly contact us via WhatsApp or via email or via phone. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you will be enrolling to these courses. Thank you.